However, this is not just about Meta, this is an industry wide phenomenon at this point of time. Meta's aggressive financing isn't really happening in isolation. The broader technology sector is projected to invest approximately $400 billion in AI infrastructure during 2025 alone. Oracle recently completed its 18 billion bond offering in September, while Microsoft and Alphabet have also disclosed higher than expected capital expenditure plans for the current quarter. Now, this wave of spending reflects what the industry leaders are characterizing as the AI arms race, with companies competing to build computational capacity necessary for advanced AI development and what Zuckerberg refers to the path to artificial superintelligence. So, when we're talking about this financing strategy, the decision to tap debt markets rather than relying solely on cash reserves or equity is notable. For profitable companies like Meta, debt financing offers several advantages. It preserves cash for operational flexibility, it takes advantage of the current interest rate environment, it maintains existing shareholder dilution levels, and it signals long-term commitment to infrastructure build-out. So what does this all mean? The scale of the investment underscores a fundamental shift in how technology companies are allocating capital. The infrastructure requirements for advanced AI, that is, the data centers, specialized chips, power systems, and networking, demand spending levels that dwarf previous technology build-outs. Now, whether this represents sustained investment in the next computing platform or an overbuilding cycle remains an open question. The market reaction suggests investors are still evaluating the risk-reward profile of such massive capital allocations. And as the big tech continues to compete for AI leadership, the financial markets will play an increasingly important role in funding what may become the largest infrastructure investment cycle in the technology sector's history.